How to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram on your device. Here, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then, click on Edit Profile in here. Click on Edit Picture or Avatar at the top. Then, click on the Avatar section. Here, create an avatar if you don't have one. After you've created your avatar, it will be added to your profile. And after the avatar is added, people won't be able to zoom your profile picture as they try to click on your profile, avatar will pop up. So this is how to disable Instagram profile picture zoom. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.